Logitech G502 Hero High-Performance Wired Gaming Mouse, Hero 25 Kelvin Sensor, 25,600 dpi, RGB, adjustable weights, 11 programmable buttons, onboard memory, PC, Mac. Hero 25 Kelvin Sensor through a software update from G-Hub. This upgrade is free to all players. Our most advanced, with one-to-one tracking, 400 plus IPS, and 125,600 max DPI sensitivity plus zero smoothing, filtering, or acceleration, 11 customizable buttons and onboard memory. Assign custom commands to the buttons and save up to 5 ready-to-play profiles directly to the mouse adjustable weight system. Arrange up to 5 removable 3.6 grams weights inside the mouse for personalized weight and balance tuning. Programmable RGB lighting and LightSync technology. Customize lighting from nearly 16.8 million colors to match your team's colors. Sport your own or sync colors with other Logitech G Gear. Mechanical switch button tensioning. Metal spring tensioning system and pivot hinges are built into left and right gaming mouse buttons for a crisp, clean click feel with rapid click feedback. 1-year hardware limited warranty. Note: products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the US. Outlets and voltage differ internationally, and this product may require an adapter or converter for use in your destination. Please check compatibility before purchasing. It's available at less price the market. Available at a lower price from other sellers that may not offer free prime shipping. List price: $79.99. Price: $38.99. You save $41, 51%. No import fees. Deposit and $10.28 shipping to France. Details. I hope this information is helpful for you. If you like it, please like and subscribe my channel, please.